Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to see your activity in Google Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can open Chrome browser on your device. Well, after that here you can click on profile icon at the top. Okay, and then click once again. Okay, and then here you can select manage your Google account. And then here you can scroll to the bottom. And then you can select search Google account. Well, after that here you can scroll down again. And then you can click on My Activity option. Okay, and then here will appear all of your activity in Google Chrome. Well, that's the tutorial on how to see your activity in Google Chrome on an Android device. Thank you.